Hi Aquarius, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to a mid-month check-in. I thought I'll do a Celtic cross for you and check how you guys are doing and what you're dealing with and if you need any guidance regarding it. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless Aquarius with a reading and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Aquarius, general collective reading. As you know, these won't resonate with all of you out there. So take what works for you, okay? And leave the rest. Also, a big thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing, liking, sharing, and your comments. They have kept this channel going. I love them. Thank you. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our little Omkara family. I was going to do the spread wrong while I said that, but I've got it right on time. So welcome to the Omkara family and join us. We meet weekly here. So subscribe to the channel and be part of Omkara. The lovers making a choice, Aquarius, regarding something. Let's see what's the basis of your reading today. The Four of Pentacles. Holding back, not sharing, not giving, or is that on your mind? Let's see what crosses it. Queen of Swords. Yes. You are now coming to that place where I think you've been overgiving a lot of your time, attention, resources, and now you are at that place where you know that some strong decisions need to be made, right? You need to make some strong decisions and maybe hold back for a little while from people who are maybe taking too much of your energy. And you've got your sword up now and you are going to be very discerning about who you give this energy to. And you have, I think, overextended Aquarius till now. You have fought many battles, and here you are, the wounded, warrior who is keeping everything afloat and everyone afloat and is so tired and exhausted. But I think this second half of July, you're trying to make some strong decisions as to how much and who you should give to and who you should hold back from now on, which is an excellent thing, Aquarius, because if you are not happy, you can't make anyone else happy. Remember that, okay? So let's see, Nine of Coins. So this was your aim. Nine of Pentacles in reverse. All you wanted was to be secure and happy and maybe in a relationship, be married and or be together with somebody where you were in a happy, secure place. And then comes the Tower, which is falling. I mean, this Tower keeps, it is whatever your dreams and hopes were, the foundation is weak, right? Anything that's built on sand can't stand the test of time. So something happened in your life which keeps rocking the secure place that you have made for yourself or are trying to make for yourself. Maybe, there is something which is not giving you that stable foundation which maybe you yearned for. What happened in the recent past to make you feel this way, Aquarius? The Hermit. You went within, Aquarius. In the recent past, I think you went within and you started to take a call on what's really happening with your life and why is this tower falling? What is the reason for this instability that you feel all the time? And you've come to this place now after thinking, brooding, and shedding light to the situation that yes, you need to be a little discerning and hold back from people who are maybe shaking the foundation of your life at this point. Let's see what's coming up in the future. Four of Cups in reverse. Yes, you're not accepting any useless offers anymore, Aquarius. From what I see, you are now being very careful as to who you give to and what. You're not ready to accept each and every offer out there. You want to now come out of this zone, okay? Maybe there's been isolation, maybe people have not been talking to each other, maybe you've been in a very secluded place till now, and you are now going to be coming out of this place. You are coming out of this hanged man's place where you felt stuck, maybe with situations or people or responsibilities. You are in the near future going to come out of this and maybe going to start something brand new in a very stable way once again, right? Whatever was not working out for you, you're going to cut it out, make some decisions regarding it, and thinking of how you can find stability in your life once again, even if it starts small. Maybe take baby steps, to now make this tower, this building which is always crumbling, which is always falling. And it's always falling because the foundation was not strong, right? So I think in the future now you're going to make sure that each and every pentacle put down will be a basis of something very strong for you and very stable for you. So let's see how you feel about yourself right now. Justice, yes. You want to put all the wrongs that were done to you or the situation or this foundation, you want to put this right now. You feel things were totally imbalanced, things were always breaking down. Every time you tried to fight and, take on this burden and fight another day, something or someone just kind of brought a tower down, and that was the reason of you were feeling this sad and lonely and isolated all the time. So what is this justice spirit for Aquarius? Why do they feel that they have to be in the justice zone now? Yes, because this was maybe this is the commitment card, right? But this is in reverse. You were not feeling centered. You were not feeling committed. You were not feeling grounded. And even though you worked so hard for it, you want to bring justice to the situation. Whoever was doing this to you made you feel unstable. Maybe things have come out now after you being in hermit mode. You have understood quite a bit. Maybe some secrets are out. Maybe some downloads have come to you. And you have realized now it's time now to come out of this silence and remove these swords from your back, which 10 swords in one's back is quite a bit, okay? So now you want to bring justice back to your own life and get out of this feeling of betrayal, of feeling sadness, of not feeling grounded, not feeling committed. And you want to now balance things out. You've used your intuition, you have gone within, you seem to be a very caring, soft person, kind, loving, but also now you're learning not to put all your emotions out there, right? You want to close down old chapters so you can start new ones. And that's how you feel you can bring justice to your life. Let's see how people see you, how people around you see you. Yes, they see you. They see you as bringing a close to whatever you need to, of whatever didn't work in the past, put a death to that situation and maybe have a complete transformation in your life. The death card is a beautiful card in Tarot, Aquarius. Never be worried seeing this card, because this only means that putting a close to whatever doesn't work and that transforming into look at the sun, in the horizon, this bright sun behind. Okay, so whenever something comes to an end, the sun starts to shine again and bring newness and happiness into your life. And people see you working towards that. And yes, you may, whoever people want to come towards you now, this is how people see you, right? So people want to come towards you with maybe apologies or love offers or sweet nothings, because they see you as very strong now and putting a close to your old life, and they want to now be maybe in your good books and bring you some sweet nothings here. They see you walking away from everything that doesn't work for you. All these 8 cups that you were nurturing for so long, you realize they were all empty. They did not emotionally satisfy you. So people see you as walking away from situations, people, things. Could be in any aspect of your life. What is your biggest fear or your biggest hope? Knight of Pentacles. Yes, your biggest hope is to bring something very stable into your life. You're so sick and tired of these towers falling, of always being the one who has to kind of, hold it together. Your biggest hope is to bring a stable new beginning to yourself, and your biggest fear is that you may not be able to do it. Your biggest fear is, I may not be able to have a restart, a fresh beginning in my life. This is what your biggest fear is right now. Let's take one more card. Oops. We got 3, 4. Yes, you desperately want to, move ahead with into calmer times. You've had enough troubled times, but you see that maybe there is somebody from your past who will not allow that. Maybe there is this person who behaves harshly, has mean words, and maybe you will be forced to go back. But your biggest hope is desperately to remove anything from the past, all your sorrows, all your heartbreaks, and move ahead to a stable new beginning. Let's see your last card here, the Empress. Right now, Aquarius, you so desperately want growth, but somehow I don't think you're seeing how. I have the Death card again. Spirit says the only way you're going to get this Empress who's in reverse right now, to be in an upright, okay, is to do exactly what came out earlier, the Death card. This come out the second time. You have to close the old chapters, clean slate, okay? Only then can your Wheel of Fortune start to move ahead in a positive new direction. Something out of your past has to be closed down, so that something brand new and a fresh new thing. I'm not saying cut things out or leave people, Aquarius. Maybe the way things were done in the past. Maybe there was a way that you used to do things in the past. That has to be shut down, okay? And start doing things in a brand new way. The transformation has to take place for this Wheel of Fortune to start moving in a brand new fashion altogether. Aquarius, I think you need some advice as well. So let's ask Tarot, what should you do in this circumstance? Spirit, can you please give Aquarius 3 cards of advice as to how to deal with the situation? One more. Wow. Things are not in balance right now, Aquarius. Things are not in balance at the moment. Some secrets or some news will be unearthed soon, right? Regarding this King of Wands, who is an in and out kind of person in your life. There could be more than one person in your life. I have the King of Swords, I have the Knight of Swords, and I have the Page of Pentacles. And this is leading to some it's like people just keep messing with you, manipulating you, messing you, and it's leading you to be very imbalanced, your life to feel very imbalanced. So Spirit is saying that the only way, like the Death card came twice, you have to now deal with these energies in a very, very straightforward way. Be very discerning to cut out all BS from your life, because it's not leaving you feeling balanced at all. So Aquarius, it's time to pull up your socks and not let people take advantage of you, I think. Let's take one advice and blessing card from my angels. Thank you. One more card. One more card, my angels, for Aquarius. Spirit says, yes, you have a lot of deep emotions for whoever you're dealing with. Yes, there is love. There is no doubting that there is love as well. But, I think you've spent too much time mothering everyone else in your life except you. Whoever is bringing you to a place of maybe feeling emotionally manipulated, you have to realize that this person or this people or this experience was just a learning experience for you. Okay, you can shut this chapter down whenever you want. Your lesson has already been learnt. You now have to be very optimistic and look forward to the future. Don't let anyone emotionally manipulate you anymore. Yes, love them, respect them, look after them, do everything. But you are not the cause, my darling Aquarius, and you are not the cure. I hope this resonated with somebody out there who needed to hear this, Aquarius. I'm going to let you go here. And if you need a personal reading, please reach out to me. I hope I can help you. But otherwise, Spirit says it's time to now take back control of your life, okay? That's what I got from this, from this reading. So I'll see you next week. If you're not a subscriber, please do. And till next time then, Aquarius, love and light.